Hello, today I'm going to show you my armpit routine for clear underarms. Do as you please with your body hair, but I really like smooth pits for myself. I have dark, coarse underarm hair that has improved over the years, believe it or not, from epilating. Shaving left me with razor burn, dark underarm shadows, and it also made my underarm sweat smell even worse in combination with aluminum deodorants. The first step is to make sure that your underarms are clean. Similarly to waxing, epilating leaves you vulnerable to ingrown hairs, so I always exfoliate either with an exfoliating scrub or a loofah pad. This step is so important, do not skip it. I like to epilate my hair because unlike waxing, it doesn't require me to purchase a waxing kit or more strips. It's a rechargeable device, easy to travel with, and it's also great for people who already wax on a regular basis and just need to touch up. Mine is from Brown and I purchased it a few years ago. This is actually my second device. I must admit, epilating is painful at first, but eventually you get used to the pain. I like to start at the perimeter of the hair growth and then gradually work my way towards the center. As the hair gets pulled out, the pain diminishes with each pass of the device. I like to use Primal Pit Paste as my deodorant. It's aluminum and paraben free, and it's also vegan in case that's something up your alley. Every now and then for upkeep, I like to use exfoliating toners under my arm, but most of the time I'll cut a piece of lemon. Sometimes instead of the lemon, I'll use a DIY blend of apple cider vinegar and squeezed lemon juice, but never try this after epilating because it would sting so bad. That's pretty much it for my armpit routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos on Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, girl.